Hello everybody. So welcome to my greenhouse. I'm gonna give you a tour what's growing inside. Okay, we start here. So this and this pots, those are my dahlias. And this one right here, that's a dwarf Mayor lemon with some fruits in it. It's coming. And this big one is the lime, and if you can see, there's plenty of tiny fruit coming out too. And those are my bell peppers, my tomatoes. Those are my Thai basil seedlings. This one is my calamandine or calamansi. And those are my dahlias. If you can see this one, and that's growing already. And at the bottom right here, that's my compost that I took from my compost pile. There's plenty at the bottom. And this is I got this for free, this tin right here. This is where I put my soil and then pot them. And this one, that's my rosemary. I had that last spring, and I put them inside my house during winter, and I just pruned them back and I changed the soil. That's one of my bonsais. Most of my bonsais I put them outside already because there's no space in this little greenhouse. So those are more dahlias. That little one, it's a flower. It's bells of Ireland, it's called. Those are my snapdragons. Those are my tiny chilies. Some of them are the peppers. Those are my sweet basil. More chilies. And tomatoes. These tomatoes, I got them from, you know, the store-bought tomatoes. I collect the seeds and plant them. So that's some of them. More dahlias. They're coming. And more dahlias over there. And this one is bay leaves. And more bells of Ireland. This one, those are more sweet basil, Thai basil, more peppers. And this is one of my aloe vera plants. Most of my aloe vera, I put them outside too. Those are more peppers. I just transplanted them. I started late this year because of my job. I'm a travel nurse. I travel for work, so but this time I had time in my hands, so I started my seeds late though. Those are my flower seedlings. More tomatoes. Those are the tomatoes where I bought from the store, the seeds. I just spread them there and then they grow. I transplanted them already. Those are my okra. They're coming. And those are my adenium cuttings that I planted. Okay, up here we have lettuce. I use the compost from the compost pile, and they seem to like it. And these are my eggplants. More bell peppers over here. This one are the chili peppers. See, they're coming out. There's a little flower bud right there, and the same as this one. Those are my seedlings. So this is my seedling tray. This is where I put the seeds. Then if they grow, I transplant them. If you can see, there's some seeds coming out. Those are more Thai basil. I'll transplant them and then give them to my friends. I have enough. Those are aster seedlings. they're still small to transfer. Those are the snapdragon seedlings. This one right there, this little tiny seedlings right there, those are dragon fruit seedlings. When I went to the store, I bought some and I love dragon fruit, so I tried to germinate the seeds. I think which they did pretty good there. And more bell peppers. This one are my bok choy. More bell peppers. This one is my ghost pepper, and some of the bell peppers. We love bell peppers. And this one, those are the beans. This one are Asian beans. I believe it's called yard beans because they're very long. I'm not sure, but those this one, more sweet basil. Those are Thai basils. And more of my peppers. This one actually this one are chili seedlings. Those are chili peppers. There you go. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.